Hey guys, welcome to this video. I haven't done these in a while, but I wanted to show you something. This artwork is actually a module in my courses, but I wanted to show you a speed art video to show you the process of creating this. This can give people an idea of what the courses are about and how long they actually take. So everything goes very well into detail, and it takes a lot of time to create stuff like this, especially if you do everything one by one like I do here. Because this is a speed art video, it doesn't have any explanation, but if you go into the course itself, you will see that the stuff is really slow and I explain everything. Even for beginners, it's super easy to understand what you're doing, and I'm pretty sure all these techniques that I use, you will use them later on for every edit that you will create. So even if you have own photos, you want to work with them or make something cool out of them, all these techniques you will use later on. I'm pretty sure about that because I'm using this stuff for over 10 years now, and every time I create something, I still use the same method that I used a couple years ago. So if you want to start with Photoshop or become highly skilled in Photoshop, go check out the courses. I will link the link in the description and you can check this out, and maybe I will see you there. Enjoy the video.